Today, I want to show you an exercise that can help you create more direction in your improvisation. Many solos sound random because we don't know where the phrase is going. In this video, we will focus on one idea, playing from one chord tone to another. We will start with the third of each chord and use a 2-5-1 progression in D minor. The third is a great place to start because it helps us hear the character of each chord. First, let's play the thirds inside each chord. The progression is E minor 7 flat 5, A7, D minor 7 and D minor 7. Each chord lasts one bar. We will fill the first and third bars with 8 notes, starts on the third of the chord and finish on the same note. Now, let's move the exercise to the second and fourth bars. Now we'll make it a little more interesting. This time we start on the third of current chord and finish on the third of the next chord. This way we prepare for the next chord before it arrives. The same idea works in bars 2 and 4 as well. We can now create more space by playing for 2 bars, starting from the third of E minor 7 flat 5 and finishing on the third of D minor on beat 4 end. Let's take this idea into a real tune. Today we'll use Fly Me to the Moon. First we'll improvise one bar and leave one bar of space. The goal is simple. Start from the third and arrive at the third of the next chord. Now let's make the phrases longer. 3 bars of improvisation and 1 bar of rest. Remember, this is only an exercise. The goal is not to improvise this way all the time. The goal is to train your ears and your awareness of where your phrases begin and where they want to go. Of course, you can practice the same idea with different chord tones, and I think you should do that. The more destinations you practice, the more freedom you will have when you improvise.